Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at words with the long A sound, spelt EI, EIGH or EY. Sometimes in the English language, the same sound can be made using different groups of letters. The long A sound can be made with the letters EI. For example, rain, beige, vein. The long A sound can also be made with the letters EIGH, such as way, freight, neighbour. The letters EY also can make the long A sound. Let's look at some examples of words that use those letters. They, survey, disobey. Let's take a look at the first question. You're being asked which of these words contain the long A sound using EI, EIGH or EY. Say the words aloud and listen to the different sounds that the letters make. Pause the video now and then hit play again when you're ready to hear the answers. So, how did you get on? The answers are veil, neighbour, convey. Well done if you got those right. Hoo-yah! In the next question, you're being asked to add either EI, EIGH or EY to the letters to make a new word. Here's a top tip. It might help you to read the words aloud and add in the different endings to see which one sounds right. Why not say them aloud to a partner? Pause the video now and then hit play again when you're ready. So, were you able to add the correct endings to the words? Brilliant. The answers are weighing, grey, reindeer. Great job if you added the correct letters. Hoo-yah! For the final question, you're going to see a set of 3 sentences on the screen, and each sentence will have a missing word. I'll say the word, then the word within a sentence, and then I'll repeat the word again. A 10-second timer will then appear on screen, and you'll have until the timer runs out to write down the missing word either on a piece of paper or on a whiteboard. Here's a top tip. When you've written your spelling down, check it to see if it looks right. If it doesn't, put a line through it and have another go. And if at any point you need longer to answer the question, pause the video and then hit play again when you're ready. When the timer has finished, the answer will be revealed. Good luck! The word is prey. The lion pounced on its prey. The word is prey. Prey is spelt P-R-E-Y. The word is vein. A vein carries blood towards a heart. The word is vein. Vein is spelt V-E-I-N. The word is sleigh. When Elodie was in Finland, she went on a sleigh ride. The word is sleigh. Sleigh is spelt S-L-E-I-G-H. Well done if you were able to spell all 3 of those words correctly. Hoo-yah! I hope this video helped you spelling words with the long A sound using EI, EIGH or EY. If you're looking for more English help, then we've got lots more of these videos on the Twinkl website, so why not go and check them out?